Jambo, haujambo mkazi wa Washington, Seattle. Leo ni ile siku ambayo tumekuwa tukiigoja. Na bila shaka goja huumiza matumbo. Lakini siku ya leo tumefika hapa SeaTac International Arrivals katika harakati ya kumgoja speaker wa bunge ya county ya Murang'a, Honorable Johnson Mukuha. Na tunakukaribisha. Tuko na event ya County Government of Murang'a ambayo imetuletea uwekezaji hapa kwetu Seattle. Na bila shaka tungependa uweze kujumuika nasi. Na usije peke yako. Jaribu uite rafiki yako, mkuja watu wawili, watu watatu, tupatane pale Federal Way kesho na Jumapili. Basi bila shaka najua utajumuika nasi. Na kwa majina mimi ni Ana Irungo.
Hi everyone, this is Kerry Prestige reporting from SeaTac International Airport from Pacific Coast International TV, and I'm here waiting for Honorable Johnson Mukuha. This is the Muranga County Speaker who is coming here on an official job, and he's coming here to meet Kenyans, and especially Muranga investors and Kenyans living in diaspora, and he will be coming from international arrivals exit, and anytime from now Honorable Mukuha will be arriving. Thank you, stay tuned.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're ready to go? Okay,
thank you very much.
So good to have you in Seattle.
Oh yeah, thank you.
And we are really looking forward to hosting you these 2
yeah.
days.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for bringing the county government of Muranga.
Looking forward.
Yeah.
I have so many things to tell you about Muranga County. The investor ready now?
Yes.
Now the guest we were waiting for has just arrived, and we are going to have a word with him. Yeah. Remember, he's the county speaker for Muranga County. Yeah.
Hi, bro.
Mheshimiwa,
how are you?
welcome.
Thank you. Johnson is my name.
Okay. We can go there and you say hi to Kenyans living in Seattle, Washington.
Okay.
And even investors in Muranga. We can start here. Yeah.
Very well.
How was your journey?
Wow, tedious. I mean, it's not normal for me to take a flight.
Okay. How many hours?
14 hours from Dubai. 4 hours from 5 hours from Nairobi.
Okay.
And the layover of another 4 hours.
Okay.
So I've spent like 24 hours or thereabouts.
Okay. Yeah. Welcome to Seattle, Washington.
Thank you.
This is Seattle Tacoma International Airport. Wonderful. Maybe you can just say hi to Kenyans living in Washington State.
Oh, you have a big number?
A big number.
Oh, very well.
Yeah.
How are you, Kenyan?
Yeah.
My name is Johnson Mukuha, Speaker to the County Assembly of Muranga. I'm delighted to be here. I've brought in a lot of goodies. Muranga is now investor friendly, and I'll be talking about the opportunities that are there in Muranga.
Welcome. Yes. I hope you are going to enjoy. Maybe Anne has a word.
Oh, well, just welcoming Mheshimiwa and also assuring him that you're going to have a very good time. Yeah. This is the Evergreen State.
Wonderful.
Yeah, they have a reason why they call it the Evergreen State.
Okay.
And thank you for all the good work that you're doing in Muranga.
Wonderful.
We are very honored to be able to host you.
Well, it's a calling.
More so to be able to invest.
It's a calling for us.
You are watching Pacific Waves Television, USA, a place of nourishment.
Pacific Waves.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Kerry Prestige, broadcasting live from Pacific Towers, 22nd floor. This is Seattle, Washington. And with me, I have a special guest whom we waited the whole day, in fact, for a whole month, and we have been telling you about him. And help me welcome Honorable Johnson Mukuha. He's the Speaker of Muranga County Assembly. Did I say it well?
You got it right.
Yeah.
Is the Speaker to the County Assembly of Muranga.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So here we have our viewers and listeners. Maybe I can give you an opportunity to say hi to them and also do a brief give them a brief profile. Maybe before we come to the speaker job. Maybe
Very
tell
well.
them what else do you do.
Very well, thank you. Thank you, Kerry, and thank you, viewers, wherever you are. My name is Johnson Mukuha, like you've rightly put it. I am an architect in private practice for many years in Kenya and in the region. I specialize in project management and project finance. What that entails is understanding clients wherever they are. If you have a piece of land you want to develop, we come in as your managers. We understand the project that you want to do. We look at the viability. Once it is viable, then we are able to take you through the processes of approvals, processes of consultancy. Once you have the consultancy, then we take you through financing processes. Then we manage the project for you, in terms of making sure what you designed is what you got. And of course, as we continue doing that, we manage cost, we manage time, and of course we manage quality. And at the end of it, we hand over the project to you. People have lost money, not knowing where to go, what to do. People have actually invested and suffered a great loss. But now in Kenya, we have an association called Association of Construction Managers of Kenya, where you have managers who will pick up your project, make sure it is done properly, and at the end of it, give you guarantees so that you don't lose your money. So in a nutshell, that's what I do when I'm not in the County Assembly of Muranga. But what brings me here is what you mentioned earlier. It's the first Muranga County Investment Conference. It will be on 13th to 14th of June this year. That is what brings me here, Mr. Kiari.
Okay. Now, Speaker, somebody is asking me. In fact, I have just received, immediately you did your introduction, somebody asked, what's the difference between Muranga County Assembly and Muranga County Government?
Very well.
Yeah.
I think in the new dispensation we have in Kenya, we have a devolved government. We have a two-tier government. We have a national government and we have a devolved government. In the national government, again, it has three arms. It has the executive that is led by the president. It has the legislature that is led by the speaker and the National Assembly. And we have the judiciary. But when you come to the devolved government, then we have the county executive that is led by the governor and the county assembly that is led by the speaker. So the work of the assembly is to oversight the governor. So we are very different bodies. The assembly is an autonomous body. Its work is to legislate, make laws that will assist whatever programs the governor have. Number two, representation is that we have members of the county assembly who are in that assembly. Their work is to represent the people in various wards. And of course, the third is oversight. Everything the governor does, we must look at it, to scomp, look at it, make sure it is properly done. And therefore, these are very two separate bodies. However, they complement each other. I mean, for it to work, you have to have the assembly and you have to have the executive.
It's like there have been harmony between hatujasikia makerere kwa Muranga County, and you have been elected first. Is it 1 year or 2 years?
It's twice, and many other, the county government, the executive arm of the government has been awarded, variously. But the harmony is there, you are right. it doesn't mean we don't oversight. We do our oversight very well. It's just that we don't choose to do it on the rooftops or in the media. We do them in the boardroom. Every time the governor have issues that needs to be addressed in the assembly, they are brought to us. We look at them, and if we agree with him, it's okay. But most of the situations, most of the cases, we do not agree with them. We sit down, but objectively, we look at it and we suggest on how we can make them better. So the harmony is there, but it doesn't compromise the oversight.
Okay.
We have chosen to do our oversight in the boardroom and objectively.
Murang'a County has been reported as investment friendly. And I think that's why you are here, because you are having a Murang'a County, am I going to say government or assembly?
It's the government.
Has an investment conference. Can you tell us more about, because you are investment friendly,
Yes.
can you just tell us about it?
Yeah.
And tell us about this conference
Very well.
and why you are here?
Very well. What brings me here is to let the people know of the potential that Murang'a has in terms of investment. And like I said, for the first time, we are going to have the Murang'a Investment Conference. It will be on 13th of June and 14th of June for 2 days. It will be held in Thika Greens Resort in Murang'a. And we want people to register, through our website, www.muranga.go.ke or invest@muranga.go.ke. What we want to do is, we had cardinal duty. You see, when the governor went looking for votes, he went with pledges of work for the people. And service for the people meant to work towards what he put in as his agenda or his manifesto. So most of the things, include what he has done and done well. Issues to do with what is devolved, issues to do with ECD, feeding program of our, early learners, issues to do with youth, issues to do with agriculture. That he has done with precision. And like you mentioned before, is that they have been recognized, and he has been awarded, as the best performing governor. However, you see, when you finish that, doesn't mean you have alleviated poverty. And that is why we say, whereas we have the awards as the best performing, county, we do not compete in terms of numbers. We don't want to know who is position 1 or 2. We want to compete with poverty. And for you to eradicate poverty, you must move out of the normal exchequer, releases, because that is all you can do humanly possible, and go to the next level of investment. And that is why we have sat down and have gone through Murang'a and looked at it and packaged it like, an investment hub where people can come and add value, areas looking at areas of agriculture, manufacturing, health and technology, so that then we are able to tap in investors in Murang'a who will partner with us, in the process create employment, add value to our product, and try and get people out of poverty, because that is the only way we can do it. When the programs we have and we've done well have a limit, because all these products, are determinant on what we call exchequer releases, with what the national government gives us. But as we speak now, we want to tap in investors. We want to bring in that, partnership from other players, privately or collectively, who come in and partner with us and do all these things. That is why we have come up with this investor conference that will be in June. We want to onboard local and foreign, people in diaspora, investors. We are opening Murang'a County as an investment destination, for the future, and we're going to increase awareness. The purpose of my visit here and the purpose of the conference is to create that awareness. We are also, looking at strengthening the public-private partnership, so that we can interact with the private, and they can tweak areas that they think we need to improve.
Yeah, I know we are having sessions tomorrow and Sunday. You're going to meet with Kenyans living in diaspora, and especially I'm sure it's not only here in Washington, but tomorrow we have a meeting tomorrow and on Sunday. Yes, you are doing this partnership. Najua, we cannot exhaust everything here because we were just inviting them. But how are you going to do this partnership?
Yeah, we have.
And what do you expect those who are going to attend our tomorrow's session and Sunday? How are you going to prepare them? Do you have some platforms maybe they can rush fast, check something, so they can be prepared when they attend the sessions tomorrow?
Very well, to answer your question directly is that yes, they can visit the website like I had said. You will see what we want. But our aim is, number one, to create awareness. We want to let people know why Murang'a and not anywhere else. We want to display the incentives that we've given to investors. We want to make it easy for investors to come and work. We want to show them the areas of investment, because they are endless. If you want to invest in whatever you want, it's endless. We have it. We want to show them the people that we are using to do it, and then we want to show them how. Okay. So, but as tomorrow, I want to, number one, display why Murang'a and not anywhere else. What products we have, in terms of agriculture, in terms of manufacturing, name it. I want to tell them the people that we have put together to do this work, and then at the end of it, I will be explaining how to go about it.
Okay.
Yes.
Your parting shot.
I think this is the time. Murang'a is what people knew long time ago, a county that was rich, that would even lend money. And the truth is, we can go back there. So we have packaged Murang'a differently, investor friendly. We want partners to come in. We cannot rely only on what national government gives us. We might not end up removing the poverty from our people. We cannot eradicate the poverty from our people through the exchequer releases. We must get partners. So come in tomorrow, log in wherever you are. Let us discuss this. At the end of it, Bwana Kerry, I'll have a situation where I will have question and answers. I'll be able to answer questions directly, so that then we tell our people, tell investors, tell the world that Murang'a is a place to be.
Okay. Thanks so much. Let's meet tomorrow. We have displayed the addresses where we are having the meetings. I'm sure even on Sunday you will attend a Sunday service at KCIC.
Oh yeah, sure.
It's like 3 miles from where we are. And let's meet tomorrow.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Asante sana.
Yeah, this is your presenter, Carrier Prestige, broadcasting live from Seattle, Washington, Pacific Towers, 22nd floor. See you tomorrow. And I will bring our reporters. Oh, they are not here. So let's meet tomorrow, and God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
Good. Next to
You are watching Pacific Waves Television, USA, a place of nourishment. watching Pacific Waves Television, USA, a place of nourishment.